Hi guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you how you can make this edit using a CapCut PC. So just going to library and select this animation template, and then just going to text and click default text. For instance, I'm going to change the text, and then adjust for the size like so, and just going to export. Just click export, and just wait for exporting the video. Okay, and delete this project. Just going to media and import that created. Just drag here and go to eBay and select this Electro Heart in Spark Effect. Just drag here. Just for duration, you can adjust for this option. So here we go. Okay, just simple this CapCut hack tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.